If you've ever struggled to keep your indoor plants healthy and vibrant, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Gooing Top LED Grow Light. Let's kick things off with the Gooing Top LED Grow Light, priced at just $20.69. What caught my eye is its 6000K full spectrum light, which mimics natural sunlight perfectly for your indoor plants. If you want to give your plants a boost without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 10 red and 74 white LEDs, you're getting a color rendering index of 95, which means your plants will thrive even in low light conditions. The 10 watts it consumes is equivalent to a 50-watt halogen bulb, which means your monthly electric bill will only see about a $2 increase if you run it for 12 hours a day. Plus, it has a timer function that allows you to set it for 4, 8, or 12 hours. You can customize it to your plant's needs while you're at work or even on vacation. Now, some people complained about the clamp not being strong enough. Here's the thing though. As long as you're not trying to attach it to a super thick shelf, it should hold just fine. But if you've got heavy pots or need to move it often, that's something to consider. This is perfect for you if you have a small collection of houseplants that need some extra love. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can cover larger areas, as its reach is limited. For the price, it packs a punch and is an excellent starter option. Now, if the clamp strength of the Gooing Top bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more robust design. Product number 2, the Bright Night LED Grow Light Bulb, which comes in at a mere $9.99 for a pack of 2. What drew me in is its full spectrum light that simulates natural sunlight, and it's super energy efficient. If you want to keep your indoor garden thriving without a huge investment, this is definitely one to consider. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This bulb delivers a bright output of 1000 lumens while consuming only 11 watts, which is a whopping 90% energy savings compared to traditional bulbs. It's perfect for all growth stages of your plants, from seedlings to mature herbs. Plus, the high light transmission means more effective absorption by your plants, with a ppf of 25 micromoles per second, which significantly aids in their growth. However, some users have pointed out that the color temperature leans a bit too blue for their liking. Here's the thing though, many plants actually thrive under this spectrum, especially during their vegetative stage. If you're growing herbs or leafy greens, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an easy plug-and-play solution for your indoor garden. Skip this one if you prefer something with more advanced features like timers or dimming options. For the price point, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who really want to customize their lighting. Product number 3, Leader Grow Light. The third on our list is the Leader Grow Light, priced at $24. This one caught my attention with its 80 LED setup and adjustable goosenecks. If you want versatility to cater to different plants and growth stages, this is worth a serious look. Why this matters for you, it features a full spectrum with 32 red, 12 blue, and 36 full spectrum LEDs, which means you can simulate natural sunlight across all growth stages. It's got 10 dimmable levels and 3 lighting modes, so you can tailor the light to your specific plants. The built-in timer with 3, 9, or 12-hour settings is super convenient, and with flexible goosenecks, you can direct the light exactly where it's needed. Now, some users have mentioned it can get a bit hot after extended use. Here's the thing though, as long as you ensure good ventilation and don't block the light, it should be fine. Just keep an eye on it if you're running it for long periods. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of plants that require different light conditions. Skip this one if you need something compact, or if you prefer a simpler setup without multiple features. For the price, the customization options are great. Next up, if you're looking for something really easy to install, the next grow light might just be your best bet. Product number 4 is the EWP JDK Grow Light, which offers a full spectrum at 6500K. Though I couldn't find the exact price, it's typically a budget-friendly option. What impressed me are its 84 LEDs and the ease of installation. If you want something straightforward that gets the job done, this one is for you. Why this matters for you? It has 74 white LEDs paired with 10 red LEDs, simulating daylight perfectly for many indoor plants. It also features an automatic timer function that allows you to set it for 3, 9, or 12 hours, making it super convenient for those busy days. With 10 dimming levels and 3 lighting modes, you can customize it based on your plant's needs. However, some users expressed frustration with its weight, noting it feels a bit flimsy. Here's the deal. While it might not feel as solid as more expensive options, it does deliver good light for the price, and if you handle it gently, it should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution for your indoor plants. Skip this one if you're after something that feels more durable, or if you have larger plants that need stronger support. It still offers great value. Now, if you want serious power and performance, the final product is designed specifically for serious plant lovers. Product number 5, Barina T5 Grow Lights, available for around $25.83 for a 4-pack. This one stood out because of its super bright output and ease of installation. If you're serious about your indoor gardening, this might be the best option for you. Here's why this matters for you. The 5000K full spectrum light provides optimal absorption for your plants, supporting them through seedling, vegetative, and flowering cycles. With a total of 96 LEDs, it consumes only 20 watts, replacing 120 watts of traditional lighting, while maximizing light energy absorption. Each fixture even has its own on-off switch, so you can control how much light each section gets, which is a game changer for larger setups. However, some users did find that linking multiple lights can require some planning. Here's the thing. While it may take a bit of time to set up, the efficiency and effectiveness of these lights are worth it once they're installed correctly. This is perfect for you if you have multiple plants or a larger indoor garden setup. Skip this one if you're limited on space or just need a single light for a small plant. For the price and performance, it's a fantastic investment. That wraps up our list of the top 5 LED grow lights. Each one has its strengths tailored for different needs. So to recap, the Gooing Top is great for budget-conscious plant lovers, Brinite offers energy efficiency, Leoter packs in features for customization, EWP-JDK is straightforward, and Barina delivers serious power for larger setups. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with Barina because it offers the best overall value and performance for serious indoor gardeners. Avoid the EWP-JDK if you're looking for something more durable.